Hello everybody, this is Nubs. I'm the creator of Stronghold Kingdom Stocks. This is version 1.7a. This is one step up from the new version that I have posted on the forums there. I'm just kind of giving an update of the tutorial and to talk about some of the features and some of the problems you might encounter. Okay, here I have started my program up. Before you begin, select your world from the drop down select world box. Okay. I'm on world 4. There's my list that I have so far. And I've added the turn off confirmations box. Pretty much what this is when you're doing an update, there's a box that pops up saying that recording has been imported correctly or whatever. I've also enabled update all from game. Sometimes the game lags and you will get inaccurate results, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, I'm going to go in here and open this parish that I'm on. Actually, I have not recorded this parish yet, so I'm going to enter the name. NWNOG. Okay, I need to set up my recording box. Anytime you get a new version, you will have to set this up, but after you set it up, you don't really have to move it anymore because it will save on exit. So I'm going to set my box up here. I like to set it right on top of the white line there. There we go. Set my resource tab. Set my food tab, which this is all saved also. Okay, do not use update all from game if this is not checkboxed, because it will give you inaccurate results, which I will show you now. Okay. So basically what it has done is it did not record resources. It actually recorded something else, I guess. Well, yeah, it did. It just didn't decipher the 9 from an 8. 96, 24. Okay, this one, the food tab, it did not. It picked up from this tab here instead of this tab. So I'd have to update that tab manually. Weapons, probably inaccurate, of course. Okay, that one is set, and honor goods. And then, if we come in here and we turn off confirmation and we do update all from game, it will give us accurate results. We're pretty much close to it. Still having problems with 6s and 5s, but one off ain't gonna really hurt anything. We're going for big money. So let's see, 120, 128, 120, 129. Okay, zeros. Still having problems with the zeros. I don't know if that's lag or what. Let me try that again. Yeah, it's not going to take it. So 120, 120, 128, 120, 122, 125. And it's really weird because some of the parishes, the different parishes that you're trading at, will record the numbers correctly, but some of them they won't, which I haven't figured out why it's doing that. Submit. And I don't know why my box keeps shrinking. Oh, it's because I added this bar up here. I'm developing where you can set up your villages and attach them to parishes, like test village, add that village. you'll be able to come in here and select the parish and attach with the travel time and save it. And then I will have a button down here that shows the best profit from the closest to whatever village that you select. So this is kind of an in development feature. Okay, try different here. I'm going to submit Bagnor, do an update. $32.89, $139 looks good. 81, 81, 88, 119, 17, 139, 134. Okay, so 81s are not coming up right. I may have to tweak it a little bit to make it work. Oops. Okay, weapons, 139s. 129, 139, 116. 139, 141, 139. Okay, that looks good. Amber Fraw. Date all from game. Wow, there's a one gold for iron. And that definitely hit on for the best price item. Best buy price for iron is 5. That's including the taxes for 5, and the best sell is 150. Boy, you can't beat that. That's like the best profit you can get. Best price list gives you an overview of all prices buy and sell for each resource. Pretty neat little feature. Let's see. Submit. Bellish. Bellic. Date all from game. One thing I'm happy about is I am not getting the funky characters in these boxes. They're actually giving us numbers instead of the weirdness. See, 198, 199, 111 looks good. See, this one looks fine. The 6 came out just fine. 135, 134, 131 looks good. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to, let's see if I have it on here. Langler, did all from game. Looks good. 116, 115, that's fine. I'll submit it anyway. 125, 129, 126, 138. There's another 3 that didn't came out. Let's see, 132. It would be nice if Firefly Studios fixed this background up a little better for us. That would really make things nicer and easier. But, you know, I ain't gonna be picky. It works for what I want it for. Looks good. I'll do a couple more. Garrick. Update all from game. It's definitely much faster than going in and entering all these prices by themselves, one after another, which is a royal pain. It's one of the reasons why I created this program. 104. 116. 113. 124 looks good. Looks good. Submit. And I'm going to do one more. Just because it's on a roll. And update all from game. Looks good. Looks good. looks good, no problems. Looks good, no problems. Yeah, so some purses it works fine, sometimes they don't. I don't know why, so. Oh yeah, and you can select your different worlds that you're playing on, which will give you a different list of parishes up here. I think I've cleared. Okay, yeah, I did a test on this one. So let's say if I worked on World 7, and I'm just put in a test number here, submit it. I'm going to reopen that parish and put 2045 here. Of course it ain't going to calculate because it has nothing to calculate to. Test 2, submit. Okay, now it's starting to calculate. I'm going to type in 150 here and submit it. And there we go. Best wood price is at test, which is for 57, and best sell for wood is 150 at test 2, and you would gain a profit of 93 per packet. Maximum up to 3. Why I say maximum up to 3 is because after you buy 3 packets, your price changes by 1 gold. So I think it goes down when you start buying and goes up when you start selling. Or it goes down when you sell and goes up when you buy. And I'm going to close the program out. I'm going to show you what you do next after everything is set up. So I'm going to start it. This is my developing. Okay. All you have to do is set up your recording box. You just want to bring it up. I will probably make this automatically pop up after if recording has been set up, so you won't have to keep pressing this button every time you restart it. So I'm going to turn off confirmations, select my world, open the parish for update, update all from game. It remembers where you recorded, and looks good. And submit. And I will release this here in a little while. This feature will not be in the game. I will disable this, so you will not be able to use this just yet. I still got a lot to do on this. Basically, calculating your travel time compared to what village you have selected and what parishes you have connected to that village. So that's going to be quite a little job for me. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Neb signing off, and have a great day. Oh yeah, give me some feedback.